Subscribe now so you won't miss a single thrilling moment in today's video. Thousands have lost their homes to wildfires in LA. What a horrifying sight. The massive wave at Santa Cruz Wharf caused hundreds of canoes to collide, resulting in severe damage.
Нам главное, чтобы сейчас туда не упала. Сам попробуй.
Imagine you're sitting in that car, a haunting moment.
Đừng có năn là được. Là tôi.
Rồi, tao mang lấy cái thúng này. Ôi ôi.
Although it had been inspected, the Antonov An-2 unexpectedly encountered an issue during takeoff. Thankfully, the pilot and 5 passengers were all safe. This incident will be something the truck driver remembers for life. Always check everything before moving. This is why junctions need signs and traffic lights. The dangerous turn. Even professional racers have to stop the game here. The result of the driver attempting to cross the railroad tracks despite the warning. Explosives typically cause this. Here's an example from Ukraine. The explosions are tremendous due to the large amount of explosives in one area. Tunnel explosion creates shock waves that are both terrifying and mesmerizing. Such situations emphasize the critical need for safety in loading, securing, and operations, as they risk maritime safety. It seems the captain forgot to press the brake. With machines like this, humans will just sit back and wait for the harvest.
Normal speed.
The machine you'll need when you want to tear everything apart. It looks cool, but this engine isn't exactly environmentally friendly.
I gotta get the action shot, jump off.
Hope he got a great picture. Perfect coordination.
Guys, this water is amazing. I gotta do a backflip and sit. How do
It will take skill and courage for this moment. Guess how many times he had to try before succeeding.
Yeehaw! You're welcome, sir. Thank you, steward. Fire in the hole. I'm alive. Awesome. Way to go. We did it, steward.
This drone just took the job of window cleaners. What do you think will happen next? The pig needs a friend to play tag with. The dog is wary of the size of the horse. A moment you'll never see again in your lifetime.
Смешные. Вы такие смешные собаки. Я вообще не могу с вас. А где вода-то? Где?
Beautiful and dangerous. The beauty of the blue fire can only be seen at night and is found exclusively at the Aegean volcano. Magnifique. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the surprises coming your way.